Very good morning to all of you. Today I want to explain about determination of percentage of chlorine in bleaching powder experiments of module 1, experiment number 8A. Course outcome: acquire capability to conduct experiments and estimate the concentration of different parameters. Compare the results with standard and discussed based on the purpose of analysis. Determine type of treatments, degree of treatment for water and wastewaters. Identify the parameter to be analyzed for the student project work in environmental stream. Subject title is Environmental Engineering Laboratory and the subject code is 18 CVL 67. This comes in 6 semesters in civil engineering departments. Theory for these experiments. Bleaching powder is used for disinfecting public water supplies. It normally contains low values of chlorine such as 25 to 30% and is an unstable white powder compound. It goes on losing its chlorine content when exposed to atmosphere. Its strength should therefore first be ascertained in laboratory before using it for chlorinations. So this is the background about bleaching powder solutions. Which are the apparatus are required? Burette, pipette, conical flask, volumetric flask, beaker, spoons, glass rods, weighing balance, dropper, etc. So these are the apparatus are required to execute this experiment. Which are the reagents are required to execute this experiment? Sodium thiosulfate of normality N/40. How to prepare sodium thiosulfates? Dissolve 6.25 gram of sodium thiosulfate in 1000 ml of distilled water, that is freshly boiled and cooled distilled waters, and dilute. Add about 5 ml chloroform as a preservative. So then we are getting sodium thiosulfate solutions. Next reagent, bleaching powder solution. How to prepare this? Dissolve 0.5 gram of bleaching powder in 200 ml distilled water and dilute. We are getting bleaching powder solution. Next, potassium iodide reagents. Dissolve 5 gram potassium iodide in 100 ml distilled water and dilute. So we are getting potassium iodide reagent. Next reagent is glycol acetic acids. Next reagents, freshly prepared starch required. So how to prepare this freshly prepared starch? Dissolve 2 gram of LR grade soluble starch in distilled water and pour this emulsion into 100 ml of boiling water. Allow to boil for few minutes. Add 0.2 gram of salicylic acid or toluene as preservative. Cool this solution and then use. So now we are getting freshly prepared starch. So now I have explained in details how to prepare reagents. Okay. Next, after preparing the reagents, now how to conduct the experiments. So that's procedure is required. First step, take 25 ml bleaching powder solution. Next, add 2 ml acetic acid followed by 2 ml Ki solution and few drops of starch. Next step, after addition of Ki, color of the solution becomes dark yellow, and after addition of starch it changes to blue. Then titrate against sodium thiosulfate till the blue color disappears. Note down volume of sodium thiosulfate consumed in ml. Observations and calculations. How observations made? See in this slide. In burette, 0.025 nanomolar sodium thiosulfate solution is required. In conical flask, 25 ml of sample plus 2 ml of Ki solution plus 2 ml of glacial acetic acid plus 3 drops of starch indicator is required. Indicator used. We have used starch indicator. End point blue to colorless. So this is the observations. This is the tabulations. Serial number, description of samples, burette readings. So here 3 trials we are doing and we are getting MBR in mLs. Calculations. Percentage of chlorine in bleaching powder is given by the formula normality of titrant into MBR into ml of bleaching powder solution prepared into equivalent weight of chlorine divided by ml of sample titrate into milligram of bleaching powder titrate. The formula is given by this and results we are obtained in percentage. Comments. The percentage of chlorine in given sample of bleaching powder is found to be in percentage. The fresh bleaching powder will have chlorine in the range of 25 to 30%. Hence the given chlorine is old one and cannot be used for the purpose of chlorination. So this comment is given based on the results. Okay. So this slide is explains for MCQ, that is multiple choice questions. Okay. I have prepared 10 questions based on these experiments with 4 options. Let us see. First question. Bleaching powder is used for disinfecting public water supplies. Option true or false. True and false on none. Option is true. It goes on losing its chlorine content when exposed to atmosphere. Is it correct? False or true false? None. Option is true. Sodium thiosulfate is used for titration. Option is true false, true or false, or all the above. Correct answer is true. The fresh bleaching powder will have chlorine in the range of 10 to 20% or 25 to 30% or 50 to 75% or 100 to 125%. Correct answer is 25 to 30%. The unit of chlorine in bleaching powder is option mm or percentage or milligram per liter or ppm. Correct answer is percentage. After addition of Ki, color of the solution becomes pink or light green, dark yellow or none. Option is dark yellow. Titrate against sodium thiosulfate till the blue color. Option is disappears, red color appear, white color appear, all the above. Disappear. The glacial acetic acid is used in sample in conical flask. Option yes or no or yes no or 0. Option is correct answer yes. The freshly prepared starch in this experiment. Option yes or no, or third option yes or no, fourth option 0. Correct answer is yes. Sodium thiosulfate normality used is option is n by 40 or n by 75 or n by 100 or n by 20. Option is n by 40. References. So these are the references I have referred to conduct these experiments. Thank you. $9.